Boss is back. Welcome back, family. Thank you so much for all of your support.
I remember those days we were young and had nothing to do.
Got so tired of waiting, got tired of the chase. I've been feeling like lately there's nothing in the way.
A big thank you to Dossier for sponsoring the portion of this video. If you are looking for high quality perfume for less, the link will be in my description box down below. As you guys know, this is not my second time I am talking about Dossier. Dossier is luxury for less. Hey family, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by if you are new. My name is Linda / the boss. I am so glad to have you here. Please don't forget to like this video, share with your friends and your family. Don't forget to subscribe and smash the bell icon for every time the boss uploads a new video. In this video, I am going to decorate for fall. Please keep on watching. Thank you so much for stopping by. Your home is your happy place. Turn it to your liking. I chose Amberry Saffron inspired by MFK, Baccarat Rouge 540 Eau de Parfum. The second one, Floral Marshmallow, inspired by Kilian, Love Don't Be Shy Eau de Parfum. The third one, Citrus Marine, inspired by Dolce & Gabbana. Light Blue for Men Eau de Toilette. Guys, I love Dossier. A big thank you to Dossier for sponsoring a portion of this video. Don't forget to check the description box for the link. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Now keep on watching to see how I decorate our formal living room for fall. Nice and simple.
And drinking liquor out the bottle at a party we knew no one there. And we didn't even care if we stayed out all night. Cause we always had each other, always had each other, always had each other. We always had each other. Remember when you kissed me? I felt the taste of your lipstick, even the breath of your ripped jeans. I can still see it all. We ran on top of buildings, just like a scene from a movie, living our life on the edge, and we'd never trip and fall, never trip and fall, living on the edge. We were living on the edge. We didn't care.
Okay family, now I am going to review this outdoor light sent to me by a company. I hope you enjoyed this video. This light is absolutely beautiful, very modern. If you are looking for one, check the description box for the link. A big thank you to this company for sponsoring a portion of this video.
Everything was better. Remember when you kissed me? I felt the taste of.
If you are looking for a beautiful modern outdoor light, this is the perfect one for you. Check the description box for the link. Installation was very quick and easy. A big thank you to this company for sponsoring today's video. Guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Living our life on the edge, and we'd never trip and fall, never trip and fall. We'd never trip and fall.
You're gone now, will you call me back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination.
A big thank you to this company for sponsoring a portion of this video. Guys, in this video, I am going to review 4 different products sent to me by this company. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check the description box for the link. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Now keep on watching. Voila guys, this is one of the products perfect for any small space. The link will be in my description box down below. This is the second item. As you guys can see, this one is a double-side makeup mirror vanity with stand 5.7 inches, and there is a small space on the bottom. You can add on your small earrings or necklace. I love this mirror because of this natural wood finish.
In space, you're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places.
What about a modern accent chair? Perfect for your living room space, perfect for any small space. The link will be in my description box down below with waterproof fabric. They have different colors you can choose from. Thank you guys so much for stopping by.
I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
This one is the last one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Guys, the link for everything will be in my description box down below. Thank you so much for stopping by. Voila, this is the accent chair in our master bedroom. I love it. I love the color, waterproof fabric. Like I said, they have different colors for you to choose from. The link will be in my description box down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Perfect for any small space. Thank you so much for stopping by. A big thank you to this company for sponsoring a portion of this video. Now keep on watching and you are going to see how I decorate our formal living room for fall. Not too much, very simple.
Destination.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really
Like I always said, you might like it, love it, or hate it. Please let me know in the comment down below. For some of you, it might be too much or too simple. Thank you so much for stopping by. Your home is your happy place. It should be welcoming and relaxing. Design it to your liking. Design by the boss. Home Decor Trends 2022. Let the design flow.
precious cargo. Be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall.
Bonjour, bonsoir amis, famille, moi, comment nous y. Si c'est la première fois tomber sur channel ça, moi c'est Linda et m'a dit bienvenue. Sur channel ça me poste en pile idée déco. Moi t'as remis pour faire partie de famille là, s'il te plaît pas oublier abonner, partager, quitter un petit message pour moi. Merci en pile pour support. N'a pas voir dans le prochain épisode encore. C'était Zami ou Linda / The Boss. Tant pour pas oublier partager avec Zami et famille. Coucou la famille, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Je me présente, mon nom est Linda / le patron. Si c'est votre première fois ici, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner, liker, partager et d'activer la cloche de notification pour ne pas manquer aucune de mes vidéos et de me laisser un petit commentaire. Merci beaucoup pour votre soutien affectueux. À la prochaine.
For once, but sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall, sometimes you fall. Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it.
Thank you so much for watching. See you next time in my next one. Bye, ciao, tata, au revoir, à la prochaine, Malé, peace out, au revoir, adios, bye, à bientôt.
Try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's